This is English shorthand dictation number 5 and the speed is 100 to 105 words per minute. Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Rule 49 authorizes the Commission to decide the number of candidates to be called for interview to appear before a board on any day. Stop. Rule 50 provides that the interview marks awarded shall be kept in safe custody. Stop. Rule 51 provides that mark sheets shall be opened on the last day of interview and immediately thereafter the marks of interview / personality test shall be added to the marks obtained by the candidates in the written examination and thereafter on the basis of the total so obtained the merit list shall be prepared and placed before the Commission for final declaration of the result. Stop. It is no doubt true that judicial service rules govern the recruitment to judicial service having been made in exercise of power under Article 234 in consultation with both the Commission and the High Court. Stop. It also provides what examinations should be conducted and the maximum marks for each subject in the examination. Stop. But the judicial service rules entrust the function of conducting examinations to the Commission. Stop. The judicial service rules do not prescribe the manner and procedure for holding the examination and valuation of answer scripts and award of the final marks and declaration of the results. Stop. Therefore, it is for the Commission to regulate the manner in which it will conduct the examination and value the answer scripts. However, to the provisions of the judicial service rules. Stop. If the Commission has made rules to regulate the procedure and conduct of the examination, they will naturally apply to any examination conducted by it for recruitment to any service including the judicial service. Stop. Para. But where the judicial service rules make a specific provision in regard to any aspect of examination, such provision will prevail and the provision of PSC procedure rules to the extent it is inconsistent with the judicial service rules will be inapplicable. Stop. Further, if both the rules have made provision in regard to a particular matter, the PSC procedure rules will yield to the judicial service rules. Stop. Mr. Shanti Bhushan, learned senior counsel, appearing for the appellant, submitted that the High Court has gravely erred in declining the anticipatory bail to the appellant. Stop. He submitted that Section 438 CRPC was incorporated because sometime influential people try to implicate their rivals in false cases for the purpose of disgracing them or for other purposes by getting them detained in jail for some days. Stop. That would simply mean giving someone the benefits of his / her own misdeeds. Stop. Mr. Raj Malhotra, learned senior counsel, appearing on behalf of the appellant, would submit that the division bench of the High Court committed a serious error in passing the impugned judgment in so far as it failed to take into consideration the importance of holding a physical test before preparation of the select list. Stop. The learned counsel urged that arbitrariness on the part of the selection committee is apparent from the fact that the order of holding test was pushed to the background stop. It was furthermore submitted that the division bench of the High Court did not assign sufficient and cogent reasons for interfering with the well-considered judgment of the learned single judge and proceeded to modify the same without any application of mind. Stop over.